Welcome to Flower Care Garden, where we grow our love for plants and find joy in every leaf and flower in our little home garden. Today, I'm excited to share how to care for anthuriums at home, a beautiful plant that symbolizes love, good luck, and lasting vitality. With the right care, anthuriums can bloom beautifully all year long. Let's explore simple, gentle, and natural care. Steps to keep your anthurium healthy and thriving. These methods will help your anthurium stay vibrant, lush, and in bloom through every season. The first ingredient I'm using today to nourish my anthurium is a ripe yellow banana. I gently peel the banana, a simple step, yet the peel is rich in essential minerals and natural nutrients that plants truly love. Next, I cut the banana peel into small pieces so the nutrients can be released more easily, then place them into a clean glass jar. Which country are you watching from? I'm so happy to welcome you to Flower Care Garden. Please leave a comment below. It's amazing that we can connect with each other from all around the world. These may be small and simple steps, but it's this natural care and love that helps anthuriums grow strong and full of life. Next, I combine coffee with banana peels, a wonderful blend of natural and organic energy. I add 3 tablespoons of coffee grounds into the jar with the chopped banana peels, then pour in 1,000 milliliters of boiling water. Besides Vietnamese, the video is also dubbed into many languages, such as English, French, German, Spanish, Japanese, and more. You can easily change the language in the video settings. I stir everything well and let the mixture sit for about 2 hours. During this time, nutrients from the coffee and banana peels slowly infuse into the water, creating a natural fertilizer rich in potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants. This is the secret to helping your anthurium grow strong roots, glossy green leaves, and bloom beautifully all year long. After a beautiful blooming season, my anthurium begins to show signs of tiredness. The once lush leaves start drying at the edges, the stems age, and the vibrant flowers slowly fade. I carefully examine each fading leaf and flower, then gently trim away the dry and weakened parts using clean scissors. While pruning, I make sure to preserve all healthy tissue so the plant can heal quickly and prepare for new growth. Removing old, lifeless parts helps the plant redirect its energy and nutrients toward new shoots. This allows the roots, leaves, and young growth to regain strength and come back to life. After soaking the coffee and banana peel mixture for 2 hours, I take it out and stir it again so all the nutrients blend perfectly together. Next, I strain out all the solid residue and keep only the concentrated liquid. This is a nutrient-rich extract full of potassium, magnesium, and other essential natural minerals for anthuriums. This golden liquid truly feels like a natural elixir, helping anthuriums recover much faster. It strengthens the roots, improves leaf health, and supports long-lasting blooms. After collecting this nutrient extract, I dilute it with 1,000 milliliters of room temperature water and mix well. And now, we have created a wonderful natural fertilizer, safe, gentle, and extremely effective for anthuriums. Step 1. I soak a clean cotton pad in the coffee and banana peel solution. Then gently wipe all the Anthurium leaves, both the top and underside. This is a simple step, but it brings amazing benefits to the plant. First, the solution removes dust and residue that can clog the leaf pores. With clean leaves, the plant absorbs light more efficiently, improving photosynthesis and overall health. Second, coffee provides nitrogen, potassium, and antioxidants that support deep green, strong, and healthy leaves. Third, banana peels add potassium, magnesium, and calcium, strengthening leaf cell structure and making the leaves glossy, flexible, and less prone to yellowing or burr. Finally, this mixture has mild antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping protect the plant from harmful microbes. With gentle care and attention to each leaf, your Anthurium will stay fresh, glossy, and full of life. The plant will be healthier and ready to bloom beautifully under soft, natural light. Step 2. I slowly pour the coffee and banana peel solution evenly over the entire growing medium of the Anthurium. As the solution soaks into the soil, natural minerals from the coffee and banana peels, such as potassium, magnesium, calcium, and nitrogen, are absorbed by the roots. These nutrients stimulate new root growth, keeping the roots white, plump, and healthy. Coffee also helps loosen the soil structure, improving air circulation and moisture retention. This allows the roots to breathe properly and grow steadily without the risk of root rot. This natural mixture also encourages beneficial microorganisms in the soil. They help suppress harmful fungi and bacteria, keeping the growing medium clean, airy, and nutrient-rich. After allowing the solution to soak into the growing medium for about 10 minutes, I gently lift the pot. Next, I place the plant in a bright area with soft, indirect light. Step 3. I pour the coffee and banana peel solution into a spray bottle and lightly mist the entire Anthurium plant, including the stems, leaves, and the surface of the growing medium. As the fine mist settles on the leaves, tiny droplets quickly pass through the microscopic pores on the leaf surface. These natural nutrients are carried deep into the leaf tissues, allowing the plant to directly absorb potassium, magnesium, calcium, and beneficial organic compounds. As a result, the leaves become healthier, thicker, and naturally glossy. Misting also helps remove dust, fungal spores, and insect eggs that often cling to the leaf surface. This keeps the leaves clean, reduces pest and disease risks, and supports overall plant health. With clean and open leaf pores, the plant can breathe more efficiently. This improves photosynthesis and allows the plant to capture more sunlight to produce energy. Step 4. After misting, I use a clean, soft cloth to gently wipe the Anthurium leaves dry, both on the top and underside. This may seem like a small step, but it is actually a crucial finishing touch that protects and strengthens the plant after its nutrient bath. Drying the leaves removes any excess moisture left on the surface. This prevents water from collecting in leaf joints and folds, where fungal growth, leaf rot, or small pests can easily develop. Anthuriums enjoy humidity, but they do not tolerate stagnant moisture. This step keeps the leaves clean and well ventilated, reducing the risk of fungal or bacterial issues. Gently wiping the leaves also improves airflow and gas exchange. This keeps the leaf pores open and active, allowing the plant to breathe better, absorb oxygen, and photosynthesize more efficiently. Each Anthurium is more than just a plant, it is a symbol of love, strength, and quiet joy that nurtures life. With simple natural ingredients like banana peels, coffee, and turmeric, we've created an organic care method that supports strong roots, glossy leaves, and long-lasting blooms. Yet the most beautiful part of this journey isn't just watching the plant grow, it's feeling the peace and harmony between ourselves and nature. Thank you for being here with Flower Care Garden today. If you enjoy natural plant care like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so we can continue growing and sharing the joy of nature together.